Okay, so now let's decorate some Christmas ornaments. Next up, I have this particular ornament from Dollar Tree. There's the skew. I have these ornaments from Dollar Tree as well. I also want to cut the little hoop off. Okay, so now we have that. And I also want to cut this here. So now we have this. And I want to make the bottom as flat as I possibly can. Because now I want to glue this on the inside. I'm going to hold this upright until the glue sets up. Naturally, I want to add snow. So I'm going to use this large silver iridescent glitter. It's easier if I just take the top off. And this is what we have. Switch it around, get some of the glitter on the container too. Now I want to go ahead and add some bling right around the base. This is the back of the star, so this is where I want to start.
Trust in God unchangingly. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, how richly God has.
Okay, now I have the medium-sized clear ornament from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to make this really simple. I have some mirror towels. So what I'm going to do is take some mirror towels and make them into squares and then glue them on to my ornament. It's going to be 9 small squares on each square. Okay, so I'm just going to hold this like this, take the back off of the mirror, and glue my square down. Just like that. Now I'm going to go on the opposite side and do another one. Okay, so now we have 4. And now I'm just going to connect these down. Okay, just like that. Isn't it cute? And the thing about this, the mirrors will reflect the light from the tree, making it really, really glam and blingy. I'm going to do the same thing here, here, and here, and then come back. Okay, so this is what we have now. And I actually did 2. And I'm going to decorate the other one a little bit different. This one here, I think I want to add maybe 2 or 1 strip. I think I like the 2 strips. So let's do 2 strips.
Trust in God unchangingly. Oh, Christmas tree, how
And I'll put some ribbon through here. And I think I'll go ahead and put some bling right around this as well, but I'll do that off camera. So let's just go ahead and move on to the next one. And here's the second one. For this one, I want to put some of these small diamonds on the inside. Now these came from Michael's, but Dollar Tree sells them as well, but they're a little bit smaller at Dollar Tree. Put them on the inside. Maybe a little bit more. Now to make this permanent, I would hot glue or use some other type of glue to glue this down permanently. Isn't that pretty? Alright, so let's move on to the next. Okay, so for this one, I have these little glitter balls from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to simply put some right on the inside. And the thing that I like about these, they come in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. And you could use one color, but with this one I'm going to use both colors. Okay, now this one, I have some branches that I want to add to the top. See exactly how big I want it. Maybe there. And so now I'll go ahead and add some of these balls right on top like little berries. Okay, and now we have another medium-sized globe. I have these flat back pearls. I think you do have to cut these apart. Let me just go ahead and cut a row off. Okay. And now I'm just going to start right in the center. So next up I have these pearls from Dollar Tree, and these have 250 pieces. I also have some of these pearls. These are larger, and there's only 60 in here, but there's a difference in the color too. Okay, this color matches better, so I'm going to go with this color. Okay, I like the way it looks, so yeah. This is what we have. And I'm just going to go ahead and just put 2 rows around here. Now I'll add a ribbon to this one as well. Like this. And put some bling around the neck of this one, and put some bling around the neck of the other ones. I actually think I want to go ahead and add some glitter to this one as well. So let's do that. Yeah, I think I like glitter in this. Okay, yeah, I do like that better. That's a whole lot prettier. So I'm going to go ahead and put some bling around the neck of this one and the other ones, and then come back and put them on display.
Trust in God and unchangingly. Oh, Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee.
Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so